Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to learn about hormones of intermediate lobe or pituitary and the hormones of posterior or pituitary and their functions. Now, the intermediate lobe of this pituitary, it secretes only one hormone, that's MSH, a melanocyte stimulating hormone. Now, it secretes this single hormone, this named melanocyte stimulating hormone, MSH. The hormone, its function, what are its functions? The hormone stimulates the synthesis of black pigment melanin in the skin and also causes dispersal of melanin granules in the pigment cells, thereby darkening the color in certain fishes and amphibians. So there is only one and single hormone secreted by intermediate lobe of pituitary, that is MSH, and its full form is melanocyte stimulating hormone. And what are the functions of melanocyte stimulating hormone? It stimulates the synthesis of black pigment melanin in the skin and also causes dispersal of melanin granules in the pigment cells, which are called melanocytes, thereby darkening the skin color in certain amphibians and fish. So this is melanocyte stimulator, and then there is another lobe of pituitary is called intermediate posterior lobe pituitary. It secretes two hormones, oxytocin and vasopressin. So two hormones are secreted by this posterior lobe, oxytocin and vasopressin. Now, what is the function of oxytocin? This oxytocin induces contraction of smooth muscles of the uterus during the birth of the young one, and myoepithelial cells of the mammary glands to cause release of milk during sucking by the infant. And due to this role, oxytocin is called birth hormone and milk ejecting hormone. So very important function performed by oxytocin. What it does, it induces contraction of smooth muscle of the uterus during the birth of the child, and myoepithelial cells of the mammary glands to cause release of milk during sucking by the child. Because of this role, it's also called birth hormone and milk ejecting hormone. Then there is another hormone that is called vasopressin. Vasopressin. Now, what is the function of vasopressin? It's also called antidiuretic hormone, ADH, antidiuretic hormone. It decreases the loss of water in the urine by increasing reabsorption of water in the distal convoluted tubule, the kidney, collecting tubule, and collecting duct in the kidneys. And this vasopressin also stimulates the contraction of smooth muscle of the arterioles, thereby enhancing the arterial blood pressure. Hence, its name vasopressin. So these are some of the functions of the hormones of intermediate lobe and posterior lobe. Hope you would have understood. See you next time. Till then, it's okay.